Now let's take a look at some growing national numbers for COVID-19 over the past few days. On Wednesday in New York, there were 76,049 cases, 1,714 deaths. Today in New York, there were 102,863 cases and 2,935 deaths. Now let's move over to the west coast of the country. In California on Wednesday, there were 8,584 cases and 183 deaths. They have managed to keep that number low, and as of today, there are 11,206 cases and only 249 deaths. Over in Washington, on Wednesday, there were 5,482 cases and 225 deaths, but as of today, those numbers have increased slightly, and now there are 6,597 cases and 272 deaths. Here in Florida on Wednesday, there were 6,741 cases and 85 deaths, but as of today, those numbers have increased a bit, and now there are 9,585 cases, 163 deaths, and roughly 1,215 people hospitalized. Let's look at numbers over the past week for those in Central Florida. We'll start in Orange County, and on Monday, there were 293 cases, 4 deaths, and 51 hospitalizations. And unfortunately, Orange County has become one of the hotspots for Central Florida. As of today, there are 589 cases, 6 deaths, and 81 hospitalizations. Let's hop over across the street to Seminole County, where on Monday they had 87 cases, 0 deaths, 16 hospitalizations. Now today there are 160 cases, 0 deaths, and 32 hospitalizations. A little further in Osceola County, as of Monday, they had 94 cases, 0 deaths, and only 20 hospitalizations. But unfortunately, as of today, they have 191 cases, 4 deaths, and 54 hospitalizations, making them also a hotspot in Central Florida. Brevard County, as of Monday, they had 31 cases, 0 deaths, and 3 hospitalizations, and they've managed to keep their numbers low because as of today, they have 51 cases, 0 deaths, and 16 hospitalizations. In Miami, Milan Martinez, UCF Nightly News.